Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 3rd February 2026. Sweet Baba says, sweet children, you definitely have to make effort to stay in remembrance, because it is only by having the power of remembrance that you will become conquerors of sinful actions. Question. Having which thought makes you fall while making effort? Which service do the children who are God's helpers continue to do? Answer. Some children think that there is still time left and that they will make effort later on. However, death has no discipline. While you continue to say, tomorrow, tomorrow, death will come. Therefore, don't think that there are still many more years and that you will gallop at the end. This thought will make you fall even more. Make as much effort as possible to stay in remembrance and continue to benefit yourselves by following Srimad. You spiritual children, who are God's helpers, continue to do the service of salvaging souls and purifying the impure. Song is Salutations to Shiva. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. This drama is predestined. Therefore, don't be afraid of obstacles. Don't forget the pilgrimage of remembrance because of obstacles. Pay attention that your pilgrimage of remembrance doesn't stop. Number 2. Give everyone the introduction of the Father from beyond and show them ways to become pure. Plant the sapling of the divine tree. Blessing for today. May you be an image of renunciation and a server who renounces all consciousness of I and remains constantly lost in doing service. Details are: a server will be able to experience success in the service he does when he has renounced any consciousness of I. I am doing service. I have done this service. Renounce even this feeling of doing service. I didn't do it, but I am Karanhar, one who acts, and the Father is Karvanhar, one who makes me act. Let the consciousness of I become merged in the Father's love. This is known as being constantly lost in doing service, being an image of renunciation and a true server. That one is making me do it and I am just an instrument. To have any consciousness of I mixed with doing service means to be a conqueror of attachment. A true server does not have those sanskars. Slogan is: finish all waste and offers of service will then come in front of you. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. With the speciality of unity and faith, become full of success. For unity, you need the power to accommodate. By your having this, the sanskars of others will also become cool, gentle. Connect with one another with feelings of love and greatness. Become one who picks up virtues and there can then be unity all the time. Your good wishes for the gathering will become instrumental in giving the fruit of their feelings to all souls to find this new path.